Hello, good afternoon, my dear students. Am I audible? Please show your thumbs up. Yes, thumbs up with smile. You know the rule of class? See, this is the rule of our class that whenever I will be asking you to show thumbs up, you will be showing thumbs up with a great big smile. Okay, this is the only rule of our class. And without delay, let's get started. And we all know what we are going to learn today. On 9th of May, chalo, you guess that what we are going to learn today. 9th May is a very special day. Yes, is that Earth Day? Thumbs up or thumbs down? That is a Mother's Day. Very slow I'm saying because this is going to be a surprise card. And you know what? Next class, we are going to do little craft in this. So next class, keep some Fevicol, scissors, colorful paper. And this is for your mom. So it is top secret, okay? And it is a lovely card for your most loving and favorite in the world, mom. Let's learn a lovely drawing because all of you want to give a lovely card or devote a lovely drawing to your moms. Isn't it? Yes or no? Show thumbs up. Henna? You all plan to do something special. So today's artwork, which we are going to learn, this is Mother's Day special. Okay. So are you excited? Show me thumbs up with smile. Let me see how many of you are excited. Thumbs up with badi wali smile. Yes, that's great. Okay. So today we will be learning how to draw. Okay. And okay, just a minute. Okay, is my video clear now? Can you see the video now? Show your thumbs up. Okay, fine. So without delay, let's get started. Okay, for making our today's artwork, we need a big plate. Okay, like this is your A4 size paper. I'm using A4 size paper. So this much big plate. Okay, see little space here, and little space on both the side. If you are using A3 size, you can take bigger also. Okay. And one mom's bangle. Okay, this much big circle. You can take a mug's base or a water bottle's base, and one more small circle also. Okay. So this ways we need circles. Okay. So you can take this kind of plate from your kitchen. Okay. Yes, and now we will start with a beautiful drawing. And today's drawing is having a great and lovely story also. Okay, great and lovely story. But as you know that every time while coloring, I share my story, right? Not while making drawing. So we will start now. Today we need pencil, eraser only, okay? Nothing else. And these circles for making. So all of you get a plate from your kitchen. Huh. And check that when you will keep your plate in center, na, so little space, see little space here and little space here should be left. Hold it. Okay, now how to draw a circle? Hold it. Half circle you will be making from here. Half circle you will be making from here. Okay, you can't make a complete circle at a time. Yes, Viana, I'm waiting. Finish this circle. Okay, because my drawing is going to come in this beautiful world. Okay. Yes. So this is a circle. All of you, get a plate from your kitchen or any other circle, any ring if you have, or any other object if you have. Yes, Samida, it's okay. Will you please lift up your files and show the circle I want to check? It's perfect. Okay. Fine. Shabash. Chalo, let's get started. Ready? Shall I start? Show your thumbs up if ready. And every time when you will be showing thumbs up, you should have a great smile on your face. Okay? This is the rule of our class. Okay? So don't forget, because I personally believe that if you will be happy, then your drawing will be happy. Okay? Ha, Drishti, you please type better. You will have to type and send. Okay? So I will read and reply you. Okay, okay. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Okay, finish. Many students want me to wait, so I'm waiting. It's okay. See, many students are showing, and it is Anushri. Anushri, happy birthday in advance, as you have your birthday tomorrow. And tomorrow we don't have class. So lots of blessings in advance. May God shower blessings on you. This is full screen only. Nivik, it is full screen. Okay. This is complete view of my file. This is full screen only. This is okay. See, recording, when you go to the link now, where you get link of class, if you will check there, you will find one more link, and that is the link of recording. Okay. So after a few hours of class, when you click there now on link of recording, it will take you to one more link, and that is the link of and let's get started. Okay. So first of all, I will start with a circle. I will take Mama's bangle or any other, and I will keep it here. Okay, I will keep it here. It's not very small, and I will draw a circle. Okay, very carefully, I will be making a circle. Okay. Can you hear me? Please show your thumbs up. Am I audible? Can you hear me? Show thumbs up. Okay, fine. So, see, those who are not able to hear, please check your internet. You must be having some internet problem, I think. Okay. So, first of all, let's show a big circle. Okay. And yes, draw a circle. This is quite big, not very small. Okay. It is, see, this is the center of my circle, and it is quite near this. Take a point. Draw a circle. With mom's bangle. Okay. Mom's bangle is best for making this circle. This circle is okay. Its circle is okay. Okay. Take a point. Rida, you please check better or click on active speaker view, because rest all can hear me. Can you hear me? Please show your thumbs up if you can hear me. Okay. Yes, I'm waiting. Okay. So what I did, I draw a big circle with this paper plate. Okay. You can take any steel plate or any other. I draw one more circle using this mom's bangle. It's okay, Aradhya. It's okay. If your circle is slightly small or slightly bigger, it's okay. Okay. Now, take a point and draw lines. Okay. If you want to make, you can make it slightly curved or you can make it straight. V. This is V. Okay. What we are going to write? V. So I just made slightly curved. So I took a point. See, if you will take your bangle, then also it's okay, but mom's bangle will be better because your mom's face will be bigger and baby's face will be smaller. So this is a shape of V. Okay, the lines are slightly curved, and here I will be making ears. C for cat. C for cat. Where the C, this V finish, right? C for cat. C for cat. We are going to learn Mother's Day special run. Okay, Mother's Day special run. Okay, so C and C. And after writing C, draw a earring. Okay, yeah, I will be making earring. by making circle. Okay, yes, I will revise it. What I did, I draw a big circle using this paper plate. Then I use this bangle and I draw this big circle. I took a point, then draw a V. Okay. Then where V finish, I draw C to show ears and circle to show earrings. Okay. And see, craft we will be doing, little craft we will be doing next class, not today. Okay. Next class we will be doing. So keep scissors, Fevicol, and watercolors, this kind of things ready. Little touch of craft we will add here. Okay. Yes. Now, as more two babies who tried to make Mother's Day very special, so with lots of love, Mama is looking down. Okay. As Mama is looking down, I will be showing eyes closed. C for cat. C for cat.
Hi, ma'am. Your video is not audible.
Yes,
Not
yes. Just a
visible.
minute. Just a minute. Okay, after this, you will be showing eyebrows. First, make small, tiny lines for show eyelashes. Okay? Small, tiny lines. If you want to make it in different ways, you can show. I just want to show that with lots of love, Mama is looking down. That what lovely surprise kids have planned. Am I audible to all of you? Please show your thumbs up. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So please, those who are finding little difficulty in listening me, please check your internets because the whole class can hear me. So this is C with closed eyes, and don't forget to show eyebrows. Again, a C for cat. C for cat. We will be using letters and numbers, and a complete drawing will be ready. Yes, yes, it's correct. Okay. Keep making with because the instructions are very clear, and I'm going very slow. Don't forget to make a bindi. Okay. We are showing Indian mom. Let's make a lovely, cute bindi. Okay. If you want to show eyes open, you can make eyes open also. Okay. Yes, you can make. And as I want to show that kids, they just prepare a surprise. And I will be telling you the story. The two babies and two young babies, they just try to make Mother's Day so special by arranging so many things. So Mama is just looking at them and with lots of love, giving them hug. So this ways we are going to show here. So that's why I showed eyes downwards. Now I will be writing a small C in between of eyes. Small C. Small C. Yes. See, you can show, if you don't want to make this bindi, you can skip the bindi also. Okay, it's your choice. And a cute smile. For making a smile, I will be making a line, slightly curved. Come on, draw a line, slightly curved, cute, kind smile of Mama. It can be a straight line, it can be slightly curved also, okay? And you will be making it D, D, okay? Capital D. Okay, capital D. Don't forget to write 3. A big smile. Okay, 3 and a straight line. If there is space, you make this straight line. Otherwise, you can skip it. Okay. Yes, Lavina. See, don't send one message again and again, Soumya. Yes, I will definitely see your video. Okay. I have seen actually. One child will be boy and one will be girl. I'm going to make boy. Yes, I will see my camera. Okay. Now, let's complete. To see the face of mom with a cute smile, big smile, is almost ready. Okay? Yes. Yes, I'm waiting. I just want to check also. Please lift up your work and show me. So very cute, very kind, very simple face of mom is almost ready. Okay? The world of love. Right? We will be showing. Shabash. It's so beautifully done. Very good. Lovely. Okay, now we are going to show babies. Okay, but before that, take 1 point here. Mehak, you please click on active speaker view. Click on active speaker view. You will be able to see me. See now from here, you will be making a line. 1 line here. Okay, 1 line here, 1 line here. You will be taking 1 point here, 1 point here on face. 1 line is going this side, 1 line is going this side. Okay. And where this line, okay, see this line, this is the point of small line, not a big line. Okay, make sure your line should not be very big, okay? It should be small. And where it finished, there you can draw a circle. Draw a circle. I will be making boy and girl both, okay? If you want to make one child, you can make one. If you want to make both girls, you can make both girls. I'm going to make boy and girl, okay? And they are twins. Boy and girl, brother and sister, they are twins. Okay, I'm going to show this as in my story, they are twins. But you can make one slightly young or one elder. Okay, same here. I will be making one circle here also. Draw a circle. It is smaller than mama's face. Yes, Rutvika, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Okay, so now here you can compare that this face is smaller than mom's face. Okay, smaller than. If you want to make one child, yes, you can make one child also. In that case, you will be making it in center. But I think you should make 2. Okay, so that you will learn how to make a boy and a girl both. Okay. Okay, you must be making one child because you are the only child. Okay. In that case, you can make one also. Okay. As this is a card which you are going to give to your mom, you can make 1, 2, or 3 even. Yes, you can make 3 even. Okay. If those were the only one, they can make single. In that case, make in middle. Okay. Now, 1 and 2 points. Come on, take 2 points. 1 and 2 points. And join. Okay, we are going to make very simple symbolic drawing. Okay. And here, the line finished now. Here also, I will be taking 1 point. And if you want to make younger one, you can make it small also, okay? Small, it means downwards. 2 points. Draw a circle first. These are two babies, okay? Two circles are two faces of babies. And where if it did, the line where it get finished now? Yes, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. By the time I will check the work. Big circle. See this circle which I'm using. If you want to make only child now, then you will make it in center. Okay. See, suppose this is your mom's. Suppose your, okay. Suppose, see, this is your mom. Suppose you want to make only child. So this is your mom. Okay. So you will be making child here. Okay. The only child will come here. And then we will show mom's hug in the end and baby with flower and balloon. Okay. So this ways you can make a child in center. Okay. If you're making the only child. Rest everything, the position of hand and everything will be same. Please click on active speaker view. Okay. You can make both. If you want to make both girls, you can make both girls. If you want to make both boys, you can make both boys. And if you want to make only single child, you can make single also. है ना? Okay, so see this ways, if you want to make only single child, so mom and baby. Here, just below mom's face, the baby will come, okay? And if you want to draw three, so 1, 2, and the third will come here. Okay, you can make third here. So this ways, 3 babies will come, okay? After this, see, now I'm clearly instructing. Now all of you listen carefully. If you want to make 3 babies, so you will be making third baby here. 1, 2, 3. If you want to make 2 babies, yes, I'm making 2 babies. If you want to make both boys, you can make both boys. If you want to make both girls, you can make both girls. And if you want to make only child, in that case, this is mom's face. And just below, you will be making a child's face. Okay. So this ways, 1, 2, and 3 babies you can make. Yes, please lift up your work, all of you, and let me check. Very good. And here I can see 4 babies. So yes, if you have a big family, so you can make 4 babies also. Okay. Very good. So wonderful. Lovely. Excellent. Okay, let's get started. Wonderful work. Shabash. Okay. Now, what I will be doing, first of all, I will be making mama's neck. So from here till here, I will be showing C for cat. Draw a C for cat. Come on. Very simple. Okay. And let's complete. Yeah, I'm waiting. Draw a C for cat. What I did, I draw a big circle. Then I draw one more circle. I took a point. This is V. Where V finish, I draw C. Then circle to show earrings. C to show closed eyes. C to show eyebrows. Small c to show nose. Capital D for showing smile. 3 and a line. Okay. If your circles are slightly bigger, Prisha, it's okay. Now, let's make the girl. So take a point here. Okay, looking at mom, and they just planned surprise. These 2 babies of mom, they're very young, very small, but still they wanted to give a pleasant surprise. And mama is so happy after getting this surprise. What is that surprise? You will be listening next class. Legs, we will not make legs. We will just make like a family photograph. Take a point and draw V. Okay. Yes. See, this V is not in center as mom's. It is slightly on side and V is this way. Mother's Day is on 9th. Okay. Mother's Day is on 9th. And yeah, I'm waiting. Okay. Finish it. All of you finish? Yes. By the time you all remaining ones can show me the work. Okay. Those who have done, please show the work. Yes. Very good. Lovely. Amazing. Wonderful. Shabash. Lovely. Okay. Yes, I can see everyone's work. Now see here where we finish now. This line of we finish. These are 2 points. See, if there is little space, suppose there is no space, so you can simply make V. Okay, or if you can simply make a small c also, if you feel that less space is there. Now these are 2 points. I will be making C for cat to show ponytail. Come on. I will be making girl and here this will be boy. Okay, because many of you want to learn boy, many of you want to learn girl. So I will be teaching both. Okay, if you want to make both girls, you can make both girls. And if you know different hairstyles, yes, you can make different hairstyles. So see, I made small ponytails using this kind of leaf shape. C for cat, C for cat. Okay. Yes. And she's so happy. C for showing eyebrows. C to show eyes. So happy that eyes are, when we give a big smile and when we are over happy with joy, all of you try this. When you smile, give a big smile, your eyes become very small. Try this. Give a big smile. You will see your eyes more big, so eyes will be closed like this girl. Yes. Okay. So this girl is so happy, making Mama's Day so special. So eyes are almost closed. Okay. With joy. Small, tiny nose. Small, tiny nose and a very big smile. Again, a D. Okay, D. A very big smile. She's so happy and Mama is so happy to see the gifts they arranged. And you know what are those gifts? Very simple, but very cute. Very good. It's so beautiful. Lovely. Okay. So the baby with small, small ponytails, Hannah, is very happy. Yes, we are going to show 2 cute babies and I will be making you. Okay, you. You can make it in center to show the neck. Okay. Yes, I just want to check the work first. Please lift up your work. Show me, all of you. Yes, very simple drawing, but we are going to make it looking very special by making its background very special. Lovely, excellent. This is such lovely work. If you want to make bindi, you can make bindi. For girl, if you want to make bindi, yeah, why not? You can make bindi for girl also. Okay, whatever you want to change. If you want to make open hairstyle, open, so you can try that if you know, Hannah. So you can try it anyways. And yes, take 1 and 2 points. take 1 and 2 points, okay? Where 1 point here, 2 points and 2 points here. Come on. Okay, 2 points here, 2 points here. And let's complete boy also. Same ways. Draw 2 lines going this ways. Okay, 2 lines going this ways. Okay, and take a point on side. Okay, okay, Aditi, I'm waiting. Okay, what I did for making boy's face or boy's body also, I did just draw this kind of lines. I took a point on side. Okay, I took a point on side. Draw a slanting line. Draw a slanting line. Okay, took a point on side. You can try open hairstyle or whatever the hairstyle you want to make, you can make. And I just want to show C for cat, C for cat, C for cat, C for cat for boys hairstyle. Okay. Yes, before stepping on, I just want to check the work. Please lift up your work and show how it's going on. It will give me idea that how much students are getting. Very good. In many drawings, I can see 3 kids, in many 2, in many 2 girls. So see, now you want to show your family, right? So see, this way is a slanting line. C for cat, C for cat. Don't forget to show ears, C here and C here. Okay, small C, yes. And see now, for boy also, if you want to show eyes this way, yes, you can show. Otherwise, you can show simple eyes. Okay. Simple dots. Okay, that's a very nice day, Pranavi, when your birthday fall. See this, these are 2 dots and 2 C's to show eyebrows. See, you will be watching and observing. You must be observing that we are simply using letters and numbers for making this. I will be showing mother's hands also, okay? First you draw with me small tiny nose and a very big smile, okay? Both are so happy. If you want to make this kind of smile, you can make this kind of smile also. Otherwise, you can go for simple also, okay? It's your choice. And they both planned it together, okay? They plan it together many days before. For one child, the child will come in center. Okay, for one child, how you will show? Suppose this is a boy. So boy will come this way. Okay. And if it is girl, so you will be showing ponytail. This is a girl. Okay. So, and this is mom. I will be showing it here because so that those who are showing one child will find it easy to understand. These are eyes, small tiny nose and a smile. Okay. And bindi. So this is single child. This is double. Okay. So those who are making one child, they will be showing this face. And those who are making 2 children, they will be showing this face. Don't forget to show you. Okay, don't forget to show you. Can you see can others see my video? Can you see the screen? Thumbs up with what? Don't forget the rule of class. Yes, thumbs up with badi wali smile, because I believe when you will be happy, then only your drawing will be happy. If you will make it with sad mood, what will happen? Your drawing will also come out sad. Okay? So let's give a cheerful smile and joy in heart and let's make it. Okay? Chalo, let's get started. So now, after making this boy, and now see, they take 1 point here, 1 point here, 1 and 1. Okay? Redmi, you please click on active speaker view, beta. है ना? Click on active speaker view and you will be able to see. If you want to make other kinds, see, if you want to show other kind of hairstyle, I'm picking up the simplest, okay, so that the whole class can do it. Now, I will be showing there, here, for girl, girl is holding, and here the names, okay, the names. The name of this girl is Ayushi, and the name of this boy is Rohan, okay, Ayushi, Rohan. So Ayushi is holding Rohan. So just show 2 hands downwards because they unitedly planned this surprise. Okay, because they wanted to give a lovely surprise to mom. So you just show Ayushi's hands. Like if single child, so you will be showing simply this ways. Okay. In mama's hands, that will disappear. Okay. And mama's hands, how mama's hands will come? Round. Round mama's hands will come. Okay. This ways. I will be showing this. So one child will go this ways in. And the hands will come out of mama's hands and holding things. Okay. I will be showing this also. Okay. Now, Ayushi is holding Rohan from here. And Rohan has kept the hands on the shoulder line of Ayushi. Okay, here. Just show. Ayushi's hand is going downwards. Aradhya, underline, outline, we will be doing afterwards. Okay. Yes. Okay. So, mama's name, you can keep any. Okay. Let's keep mama's name Angelina. Okay. Yes. Mama's name is Angelina. Daughter is Ayushi and son is Rohan. Okay. For showing single child. See, I will show hands in the back and you will be showing 2 hands this ways. Okay. For single child, both the hands will come this ways. Outside. Okay. Chalo. Now single child, those who are making single child will be making this ways. I will make it neat so that those who are making single child can understand. Boy, I'm showing again. See the hands of boys at the back of Ayushi. Ayushi's hand holding Rohan. Here, for showing boys' hair, I took a point here. I draw a slanting line. Then C for cat. And where I finished C, I draw C for showing ears. Okay. Now, then show me your work. All of you lift up your work and show me. All of you. Now, second hand is left, which is holding gift. Okay. Okay. So those who are making single one, I will be showing that also. Those who are making single child, both the hands will go out. Okay, this ways. Wonderful. Lovely. Now, what Ayushi plan? Okay. Ayushi planned a lovely gift and she collected money. Okay, she collected some money. They both collected some money to make Mama's birthday very special. Now here you will be making one hand from here. Come on, it's going up. Okay, it's going up. Show Ayushi's hand. Ha, Pranya, yes. Three children. So the middle one will be keeping hands down and both children will be showing hands upwards. Okay. Now see Ayushi's hand upwards. This is the last point. And for one child, you will be showing hands this way. Both the hands this way. Okay. So see this hand is going up. This is the last point. Take a point near. Take a point near last point. Very near to last point. Yes. And then this last point and this second point. Okay. This last point and second point, you will connect. Come on, connect it. Connect it. Okay. Same we are going to do for Rohan's hands. Okay. Rohan's hands. What Rohan got then? They both are having a great surprise for their moms. Okay, from here, one line is going up. This is the last point. Okay, if you didn't get it, you can understand it now. Line is going up. Last point. Okay. Now you will be taking, our story is also there, but next class when we will be doing coloring now, I will be telling you the lovely story of this drawing. A point near, take a point near. Okay, the last point, just close to it, take a point. I will be showing Aradhya, single baby's hands also I will be showing. Okay, and the second point and this you will be joining. If you are making girls, both girls, in that case, you will be making face same ways. Okay, so now see the hands going up first. And if you are making single child, same ways, you will be making one line from second point, second line, one line, second point, second line. Okay, our next class will be on Wednesday when we will complete it. Okay, now take eraser, all of you take eraser and erase the line of ponytail from Ayushi's hands. Erase the lines of ponytail because now hand is in front. See students, when things overlap, and like here, the hand is in front and ponytail is behind hand. So we will erase lines of ponytail. This is very important, okay? When things overlap, you erase the lines which is at the back. Erase the lines of ponytail, okay? Yes. I just want to check it once, then I will step on. Please lift up your work, all of you. Show. Very good. You all are doing it so beautifully. Okay, if you want to show them on a swing, if you feel that you want to show them on swing, you can make them on a swing also. Although I'm going to make them in a circle. Lovely. Great. Now, I will be writing C for cat. Now, see, these are 2 points. Outside, I will be making a C. Come on. See, these 2 lines are inside the C. Draw. It's okay, Ayati. If you have made both girls, it's okay. If both boys, yes, you can try that ways also. I will be making C for cat. And see, this C for cat is outside hand. Okay. These are outside hands. Now I will be writing, erase the line of circle. Erase the lines of circle. Okay. You can show, if you want to show ponytail in front, then you will erase the lines of hair. Okay. See, if you want to show ponytail in front, so you will erase the lines of hand. I will show the magic. If I will erase the lines of hand, it will look as if pony is in front. And if I will erase the lines of pony, so it will look as if pony is at the back. So it is your choice. Okay, wherever you want to know, make it, you can make it. Now see, this is C and hand is inside. Okay, C for cat, C for cat. Come on, draw C for cat, C for cat. I will be completing mom's hair also. Don't worry. Draw one U, 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 U 4 times. Come on. U 4 times. Same here. U, U, shape of U. Okay. And I just showed 2 hands upwards. They are holding something. What they are holding? So see, Rohan, what Rohan did? Early morning, he just went. Actually, both of them, Ayushi and Rohan, they went in their lawn and collected some beautiful flowers and make a bouquet. Okay. So I am going to make a rose. Okay. Or you can make a rose or a simple flower. Okay. Yes. So I will be showing a flower stick in hand and some lovely flowers. And see, for single child, and if those who are making single child, the method is same. C for cat, C for cat, as we made hands now, and U. Okay. And see here, in one hand, Rohan is holding flower. You will be showing a flower. And Ayushi is holding a balloon. So you will also show balloon. Okay. So this ways, here 2 kids are holding things, but here you will alone holding 2 things. Okay. So those who are making single child is holding both the things alone. So I'm going to make a lovely floral bouquet. Some beautiful flowers. Okay, some very cute flowers from lawn, because Rohan knows that Mama love beautiful flowers. Okay, and they kept a surprise also on that day. Besides these all gifts, they kept a lovely surprise, which just fill heart of mom with love and joy. Okay, and what was that? It is the part of a story. Next class, I will be sharing the story. What was that surprise? Okay, see here, one more flower. You can show one more flower. Okay, you can just make other design also. I'm making very simple. You can make other kind of flowers also. Okay. Yes, 2 flowers or simple 1 flower can also be made. Okay. Yes. You can make simple 1 flower also or 2 flowers. Okay. If you want to add a leaf, just draw this kind of line and draw C for cat, C for cat. If you want to make a big bouquet, yes, you can make a big bouquet also. Okay. I will be telling this. Okay, just a minute. I will tell how to. Please, all of you show the work. All of you show your work. Yes, that's great. पता नहीं क्या आ रहा है, बार-बार आ रहा है। अभी तो मैं मैनेज कर रही हूँ, बाद में दिखाना मुझे। After this, we will be showing. You can make 4 flowers also. And here, Ayush is holding balloon. Okay. Yes. Let's go. This is S. S for sun. Okay. S. One more you can show. Yes. Okay. This is again S. Again S. Okay. Come on. Show and let the balloon and flowers go out. Come on. Draw this S for sun. S for sun. Draw. Now, many times students find it difficult to show heart shape. As I'm going to show heart shaped balloons here, so I will show that it's so simple making heart shape. Okay, using letters and numbers, we will be making heart shape. Okay, show this S for sun. Okay, you can make them straight also. Now see how to show heart shape. Take a point on the in the end. Take a point. And from here, draw V. Draw V. V. Okay. Yes. And this is the center of V now. Just here, take a point and draw 3. And you will find a heart-shaped balloon. V and 3. Okay. Let's make it again. V. And boys team, you give answer. After writing V, if I want to make heart shape, which number I will be using? Boys team, will I use number 5? Girls, kindly reply. I will use number 3. Correct? Yes, it's a correct answer. Number 3. Okay, so I will take a point and from here I will be writing number 3. Okay, and this ways I will be making my balloon. So here now, Mama, after looking at this, Mama is holding them with love. Okay, just give a hug. So let's show that. Okay, the same ways for single child. In one hand, you will be showing balloon. In one hand, flower bouquet. Okay. This ways. Okay, this ways. V, I just draw V and 3. The method is same. Now, mom's hair I will show better. Let's complete hands first. Now showing hands of mom. Now what I will be doing? See here. This is the mama's, now from here. You will be coming. See, all of you see, this is the line of, this is shoulder liner. Just come overhead and come round. Okay. Come overhead and come round. Okay. Here I will be showing hands of mama. Okay. So I will be just showing them round, coming overhead. And those who are making single child, simply the hand will come round. Okay. Hivangi, we can't unmute anyone, beta. Okay, so after this, we will be completing with the mama's hands and okay. And from here, okay, now after coming from here, you will be showing one more line coming from here, one more line coming from here. Okay. Let's complete mom's hands and erase all the lines of body from mom's hands. You can erase all the lines from mom's body. Okay. See this ways. I will erase the lines of hands from the body. Okay, see here. I erase the lines of hands. Mom's hands, the line, double line, and here I will be showing it completely double line. I'm making it clear. See, from here, I erase mom's hands. For single child, you will be simply showing hands from the back. Okay, hands from the back. You will be taking this ways, two hands coming and showing hug. Okay, see here the hands are coming round. So from here it is coming from the from over the shoulder and it is behind hand. Okay, these are 2 points. 1 and 2 points. Take 2 points. Mother's hand I'm repeating. See from here it is coming around head going down. Okay, for boys. And here the hand is coming behind hand. So what I will be showing? I will be showing hand behind. This is girl's hand is in front and mom hand is behind. So the line is coming from here. Okay. So you will erase the lines of girl's body from hand. Okay. See, make it clear. Here you will not erase. I will make it clear this way. Here you will not erase ponytail and hands of girl. You will erase lines of mom. See here, mom's hands. And here, as I showed, hand is coming from up. So I just erase the face of. Okay. And these are 2 points. Draw you. This from 1 point you. Okay. And from second point, C for cat. C for cat. Okay, this is you. This is C for cat. Join. And if you want to show, you can show bangles. Okay, as I'm showing one Indian mom, 1, 1, 1 to show bangles. Okay, this way is the hand will come. Same here, you. Come on, show a U and a C. Connect. Okay, you can show simply lines, U and then C. Mom is holding both the babies with love and for this great surprise. Okay, both the hands. And see, same here for single one. U, C, U, C for cat, and she is holding. Okay, for single child also. Same ways. I'm showing again, these are hands. Okay, these are hands. And you will be showing you here. You will be showing you here. And then you will be showing C. Okay. After this, let's complete here. So take point on ears. Take point on ears. Let's complete open hair of mom. Okay, open, point, and C for cat, C for cat, C for cat, open hair. Let's make open hair of mom. Come on. Okay, mom's open hair, and here we will be showing a flower in mom's hair. You can show a lovely flower in mom's hair. Okay, if you want, and if you don't want, you can skip it. Then these is from take 2 points on ears. Okay, from ears you will be making this kind of lines. These are open hair for Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day or background, whatever. We'll see that how beautifully we can make it. I just want to check the work. Okay, if you want to make heart-shaped pin, yes, you can make. And see, those who are making single, they will also do the same ways. The hairline will be open, okay? And hands will come this way. Those who are making single child, same ways. The only difference is here two babies are holding things and there only one, okay? So this ways I will be showing. So see, from here the hand is coming from above and here the hand is coming from back side. So I just want to check the work first. Please lift up your work. All of you. Yes. Please lift up. And this drawing is having a great story. Okay, and I will tell you the story next class. What material is required? Little scissors, little Fevicol, scissors, earbud, cotton, and this kind of things also you keep ready. Earbud, cotton, watercolors, plastic crayons, scissors, Fevicol, okay? We will see that if we can do little creative work in this work, okay? Very well done. And what is your homework? Now listen to your homework carefully. This is your homework. You will take your black sketch pen and you will move your black sketch pen on this complete artwork. Okay, on this complete artwork, you will be moving your sketch pen. Okay, this is your homework. And Mother's Day special class drawing, we will complete by making it looking wonderful. Okay, so please, all of you show. I just want to check everyone's work. Yes. And I can see very beautifully you all have tried. Okay. Yes. See, I will be showing this hairline of mom. It will come slanting, open hair. Okay. So this ways you can show hairline open. So this is mom with two babies. And your homework is you will be giving outlines on this complete artwork. Okay, you will be giving outlines on this complete artwork. And next class, we will be coloring it. We will be doing little craft. Keep your watercolors also ready. And we will complete this artwork with different techniques. Hopefully, you all must have enjoyed the class. If yes, you can show a thumbs up with a buddy wali smile. Let me see how many of you enjoy learning this. Yes, and you will see its beauty after coloring it. Okay. And I can see that Drishti is trying to show Devi Durga's drawing. It's very beautifully done. Lovely work. Very good. And with now I will take your leave. I will wind up class. So your homework is outlined. You please keep it done so that we will start with coloring next class. Okay. With lots of blessings, I will wind up. May God bless you. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye, students.